In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring invoice Zoho books. Recurring invoices are perfect for subscriptions, retainers, maintenance plans, or any billing that repeats on a predictable schedule. I'll guide you through the screen so you can set this up confidently. From your Zoho Books dashboard, open the Sales module on the left. This is where you manage revenue-related records like customers, items, and invoices. Inside Sales, choose Recurring Invoices. Think of a recurring invoice as a reusable profile that automatically generates future invoices based on the timing you define, so you don't have to recreate them each cycle. Click New to start a fresh recurring invoice profile. You'll see a form with sections for the customer, the billing schedule, and your line items. Begin by selecting the customer. Choose the correct company or individual so Zoho Books can pull in the billing address, currency, and any default payment terms tied to that customer. If there are multiple contacts, make sure the primary recipient shown is the one who should receive these recurring invoices. Enter a clear profile name. This is an internal label that helps you identify the profile later. A simple naming pattern like client service frequency works well. For example, Acme monthly support. Good names make searching and reporting much easier as you add more profiles. Set the billing cadence using repeat every. Pick the interval and unit that match your agreement, such as every month, quarter, or year. Your selection tells Zoho Books exactly how often to generate invoices for this customer, keeping your billing consistent and on time. Next, add what you're billing by selecting the item. Search for the product or service you've already created, then confirm the quantity, rate, and any applicable tax based on your organization's settings. Whether your prices are tax inclusive or exclusive, the totals will update automatically. Take a moment to review amounts so your customer receives the correct charge every cycle. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho Books will create the recurring invoice profile and list it among your active profiles. From here on, invoices will be generated automatically according to the schedule you set using the customer and item details you provided. You can revisit this list anytime to review the status or adjust details as your agreement evolves. And that's it. You've set up a recurring invoice in Zoho Books quickly and accurately, so your routine billing runs smoothly without manual work each period.